So in this video, I will show you how to verify the BGP. There is 4 verification that we want to make, and I'll show you one by one. So the first thing is, step 1, you need to verify the end-to-end connectivity of the network to ensure that the BGP routing really works, right? So for the PC2, previously, if you remember, when we remove the static route and also the default route on all of the routers, so basically the destination host is unreachable, meaning from the PC2 to PC1 is unreachable, right? So in this case, I'll try ping again to see that the BGP routing works, because it's supposed to work. So you can see here now you get a reply. I mean, you get the connectivity between the routers, between the PC2 and PC1. So the end-to-end connectivity using the BGP in this case is successful. Now, the next testing that I want to make is, let me close this, is we will use a specific command to verify the BGP connectivity is successful. So there are 3 commands that you can use. First of all, we need to use the show IP route to verify the default route on the R1, meaning we want to check whether the default route advertisement from ISP is successful. So basically, I'll just show for R1, but basically you can do the same for router 3 as well. So R1 show IP route. So you see here, yes, the default route advertisement is working. So you can see now all of the remote network, which is the 172 network. There are 2 172 network, and then we also have 200.16. Okay, is also learned in the routing table. So the letter B here, okay, B is for B. Where is B? So B is for BGP. Okay, the letter B indicates the routes were learned through BGP. And when you have asterisk here, so you see there's an asterisk here, so it means that the default route as the best path used for forwarding traffic to unknown destination. So this confirms R1 is receiving external route properly through eBGP. Alright, so you can test for all routers. So basically the result will always almost the same lah. So now the next command that you can use is, okay, this is important as well, which is show IP BGP. Okay, you need to have a list of all networks that use BGP. Okay, not only the remote networks but also your network. So it's all must be listed here. So basically, if you see here, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 networks, in which the 172 network 0. Okay, this part is the remote network, and this part is the remote network as well. So, and they will also give the path to go to the remote network, which is through the ISP, which IS number is 65002. Alright, so on the 172 network, it shows both the S number of the remote network, which is 65003, which is the network R3. Okay, so basically in this output, we can say that the R1 has successfully learned the default route, right? And you notice that there is a asterisk and greater than sign here. So basically, when we have this sign, so this means that the route or the route to go to the network is valid and usable. Okay, So this is how you interpret the show IP BGP command. Next, we will have another command, which is show IP BGP summary to verify the BGP neighbor status. So show IP BGP summary. Okay, so now the neighbor of R1 is 200.2, which is the ISP, and the S number is 6502. So how do we interpret this output? So basically, you can see that the R1 has active BGP session with ISP, and we can see that the connection has been up for 11:46. So this is since the time 11:46 minute 46 second is the time taken since the BGP is active in the router. So if the BGP is not becoming active anymore, meaning maybe you delete the BGP on one of the routers, so there's no connectivity, so the up and down time will be reset. Okay, will be start again. And here you see that R1 has received 4 prefix from their neighbor. Now neighbor means 172.0, 172.128, 170, and then 200.16, and also there's another network which is 0.0.0.0, which is a default route. So basically confirm that there is a route exchange. If in this part state and prefix record ni shows something like idle or active, so because here it's showing number, so if it's showing number meaning it's good, if showing idle meaning it's not good. Okay, what I should say, no session has been up for neighboring prefix. Okay, so that's all for the verification of the BGP. So I hope that you will learn a lot in this video.